Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to enable biometric login on Trim. Do you want a faster and more secure way to log into Trim? Let's set up biometric login, whether that's fingerprint or facial recognition. First, open the Trim app on your phone and log in using your email and password. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon, usually found in the top left or bottom right corner, depending of course on your device. Now go to settings. Under the security or login options, you're going to look for biometric login. This option may say use fingerprints or enable face unlock, depending of course on what your phone supports. Toggle the switch to enable biometric login. Your phone will now prompt you to scan your fingerprints or face to confirm. After this setup, the next time you open Trim, you'll be able to log in instantly with just a quick scan. No need to type in your password every time. It's convenient, secure, and perfect for managing your finances on the go. And if you ever want to turn it off, just come back to the same settings and disable it. And that's it. You've now set up biometric login for Trim. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to switch from desktop to mobile seamlessly. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.